all, what you will do, I am going to underline all the words, all the hard words of this chapter. You will write all the hard words in your copy. After that, first of all, you will also underline all the words in your books. You will do it by only pencils. You will not use the pens. So let's start underlining the words. So the first word is the earth. The earth is first word. Second one is planet. And third is solar system. And then giant, mountains, valleys, oceans, deserts, and surface. Now,
screen is not visible.
appears, patches, exists, surrounded, atmosphere, possible, extremely, perish. So now, natural, revolves, millions, universe, burning gases, produce, fiery ball, and then water vapor, twinkle, steady light, now Neptune, then barren, Purnima, 14th, gibbous moon and crescent moon. Gibbous moon and crescent moon. Now, Amavasya, and then star constellations. And the last one is Saptarishi Mandal. After star constellations, Saptarishi Mandal. So children, like this we have done with the hard words. You can scroll down the pages, the video. You can backward or forward the video, and you can also pause the video and then highlight all the words in your book first of all and then write in your copy.
Ma'am, move to the second page.
After that we
Scroll
will
down.
do exercises.
Ma'am, get.
So take the correct answer. Here is question number 1. It is a huge ball of fire. This is sun. The family of the sun is called the
मैम क्या आप
solar
ऊपर कर
system.
सकती हैं?
The brightest star in our solar system is Sun, because Earth and Neptune are the planets, not stars. So the correct answer is Sun here. It is a pattern of stars in the sky. This is constellations. This is a satellite of the Earth. Moon is the only satellite of the Earth. It is a natural satellite of Earth. So now we will fill in the blanks. The Earth is the third
Ma'am,
planet
can
from
you
the
show next
Sun.
page?
The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Around, fill in the blank.
Ma'am, are you done? Ma'am?
So around 72% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The Earth looks blue in color when seen from space. The gas we breathe in is oxygen. Children, now we have write true or false. So the Sun is not the center of the solar system. This is true or false? False. Planets have light of their own. False. The Sun is a star. True. Each large group of cluster of stars from the Milky Way. Each large group or cluster of the stars from the Milky Way. True. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. True. Children, in our next class, we will solve short and long question answers. So, till then, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.